We're on the way home from Illinois to Virginia. There is a cider place that we wanted to visit in West Virginia. We have to drive up to the mountain. It's not easy to get there, but it's not too hard if you like ciders. We arrived here after lunchtime, so nobody's here yet. I think we're the first customer today.
They're great. I mean, I love cider.
Yes.
So I knew that before I even stepped foot in this place, I was probably going to like everything on the menu. The first day that we met in Bangkok, Thailand, I asked her what her favorite drink was, and she said cider.
Oh, done.
I married her in 48 hours.
Is that right?
What are you doing in Thailand? Was you in the military?
Why wouldn't it be around here?
Well, that's all right. It's easier to hide here. Yeah. How are you going? I do. Yeah. Ambrosia. I had that.
Yeah.
Alright, good.
I'm vlogging for my YouTube channel.
What's your channel?
Simply Angie?
Okay, want to give me a shout out?
Sure.
I do music online. We were founded in 2014. We built this facility around 2015. I started working here in 2016, but we do everything we can to stick to our heritage and culture with making hard cider. We do it the way that we've always done it, the way we've done it in this area for almost 300 years now, especially in drinks like our traditional. We just press the apples, throw the cider into a bourbon barrel, and let it age for 8 months over the cold seasons like we would hundreds of years ago. French. It's that style that the place in Norfolk, remember? It's French style cider.
French style? Yeah.
My wife got into hunting last year.
Taste it, but I'm 95% sure it's going to be okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't get those every time. She's like, oh, this is great. Okay. Until you don't kill one. There's no way of getting on the street.
Y'all come on over.
So,
Come on over.
they don't want to.
Got a song, got a concert.
Got a concert going.
Only one song. It's one song.
One song only.
That was the deal. But yeah, so I wrote this one a while back. It's about the Battle of Blair Mountain, which is the largest armed uprising in the U.S. since the Civil War. So, the coal miners were living like slaves, working like slaves. They, dying in the mines. They were extended. So they rose up. And that's what this song is about.
I think it was like similar to the stripes or whatever.
In old West Virginia, bastard child of the Union, where moonshine's our blood, our coals our communion. Fighters they worked without backing from union, live all of their life in pain. They were slaves to the company, their pay it was stripped, their kids they were sick, their clothes they were ripped, scarce food on the table, and the roofs they would drip, winter snow and summer rain. Well, the boys of Blair Mountain were sweat drenched and dusty, their picks were all sharpened, rifles were rusty, red on their neck, for cause they struck justly, fight for their right not to die. The sheriff came round, paid by big corporations, said, hey all you men, get back to operation. Boys of Blair Mountain, they voiced their frustration with shots from their guns and
So you want a piece of this, or you want a half and half of ambrosia?
What's that?
The ambrosia that you drink just before that. I want half that and half
It's better to die at the end of a barrel than down in a mine. To work till you're feral, for scraps from the company in a coal camp where you'll never get ahead in life. So they picked up their guns and they put down their Bibles and marched on the law, though they knew they would liable, never get back to their families, but time will honor their brave sacrifice. The men came around from their teens to their 80s. They marched on the guard after beating the states, laid down their arms for their own family's safety, swore there would be change one day. So remember the men, boys of Blair Mountain, whose blood drenched the dirt like a pour from a fountain. The redneck army, whose praises were shouting, they helped show the miners their way. So I wrote this song, I was like, well, need to have a West Virginia song written by a native West Virginian, because, I'm sure there's not plenty of those. Because there's nothing else to do here except drink and work and play music. So, but I wrote one called Pride of Appalachia.
There's the way that other people that are from here say it, and then there's the way that is how you're from here would say it, how you say it.
Our homes are in the mountains, only up on the top it shines. This land is hard to live on, we don't seem to mind. Wild and wonderful is what the feels like almost hell. Every time I leave her, I miss this place so bad. These hills are in my heart. Sipping on our cider, digging at our coal, working hard. The struggle is the essence of our souls. Our hearts are in the rivers, minds are in the trees. Our bodies buried in these hills, our music song breathes. Wild and wonderful is what the signs do tell. They call us almost heaven, sometimes feels like almost heaven. Every time I leave her, I miss this place so bad. These hills are in my heart. From Hockanop to Nicholas County to the flammable canal, rugged beauty of this land will make you stand in awe. But our children, they're leaving, and our old folks passing on. There will always be a sunset, follow West Virginia dawn. Wild and wonderful is what the signs do tell. They call us almost heaven, sometimes feels like almost heaven. Every time I leave her, I miss this place so bad. These hills are in my heart. Our hearts are in the rivers, our minds are in the trees. Our ghosts, they've wandered in these hills since 1863. Wild and wonderful is what the signs do tell. They call us almost heaven, sometimes feels like almost hell. Every time I leave her, I miss this place so bad. These hills are in my heart. Get back in. The Rough Kings, I do not.
Oh, get their CD.
Will do.
They
What?
were
They're
active.
local. They're
Oh,
local
okay.
guys.
They were active when we first moved here, and I think they disbanded. The leader works as